Alrighty guys, this is part 1.7, so without further ado, we'll get straight into it. Alrighty, hey guys, so we're packing up for the night. It's like 10 o'clock or something. That for some reason took us flipping ages. I guess it's just because we have like no wood. Like basically that's all we have left. There, and there's one more behind the corner. And then there's a couple of pieces in here, which
I
is
think we'll make it.
Yeah, we might. Well, you can't see. There is wood in there. It's just like a couple of pieces. Well, we might have enough, but I don't know.
We'll need to fix this.
Ugh, no, don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Trying to get all the weighing stuff on it.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Yeah. So, that's what we're looking at. Fixing up that. When you stand on it. See how it moves? Anyway.
Stuff on it. And we put this long piece in, which took up a lot of
Yes, we found a nice long piece.
which is good because that took up a lot of materials.
Yep. So anyway, we got a problem. 3 long fits along, like 3 pieces of wood will fit there. But only 2 pieces of wood there will fit along there. So we're gonna have to make some sort of fancy thing to go along there. That shouldn't be too much of a problem.
You know what we should do, Alex? Just saying. We should continue this along, and then we can just do the fancy stuff later. What do you?
Yeah,
think?
we can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, because that would just easier. Because then, like, if you do all the fancy stuff at one time.
So we've got quite a bit done, I guess, today compared to like when we first started this morning. So it's at the end of day 2, working on the deck. And yes, I did mangle up my hand, which is why I'm wearing this glove to kind of protect it. It still is sore, but it's not sore enough to work on the shed.
Yeah, hopefully we get it all done tomorrow. But the fancy stuff may take a bit of time.
Yeah, getting like,
Yeah.
because like that's the gates will fence on a slope.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Anyway,
Hopefully.
we will see you guys in the morning. Bye. Okay, guys. So this is the morning. Actually, this is the morning. Day 3. And I was looking at some of the wood that we have that's in there. That stuff all there. There's metal mixed in with that, so don't get confused. And I came up with this piece, right? And it's perfect length, right? It goes halfway there, comes all the way along here, and lines up perfectly. So I only need to take a tiny bit of that. So I think I'll get a time lapse all set up. I'll get some wood and then I'll get straight to it. Okay guys, Jack has returned.
Yeah.
For another day of abuse. No, not really.
More like a
Yeah, so he's here now. So we're going to continue on working on the shed. Now, the other day I was talking about having like the 2 planks will fit there and the 1 plank will only fit there. This is what I mean by that. So pretty much, as you can see, you can't easily fit other plank in there. Like I can just get my 2 fingers in there, or only like 1 finger in there, right? But over here, there's enough room to put another plank in.
So I'll have to cut it soon.
So I'm gonna have to somehow try and cut it on weird angles. I have to say I'm off through the whole thing.
But that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the simple stuff first.
Yeah.
And then get the hard stuff, which will be interesting.
Yeah. So that's the plan. And basically all the wood we have to do all of that. There's that piece of wood that stretches along there. That.
We could get 2 out of that, couldn't we?
Yeah, hopefully get 2 or 3 out of that, maybe. And There's also that crummy piece of wood right there that we can use. And then whatever I can find in
We'll probably
there.
use this for the fancy stuff because it's got a lot of cuts on it.
Yeah, we'll probably use this one for the fancy stuff. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and get another time lapse set up for you guys, and yeah. Alrighty, so my hand's getting a bit sore now from putting like all the pressure on it. So it's gonna have a bit of a break. And in the break, me and Jack, we will be talking about how we're gonna do the fancy stuff. Now over here, Jack realized that we had, because this is like the wood that went around our spa for the gazebo, and we have this piece of wood. This is one piece of wood that went around it on the curve, and it just so happens to fit in there pretty nicely. Like, yes, we still need to cut like along there and all that, but that is almost good enough flat plank wood to fit in. So that will now give us a pretty good reference. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about Jack finding that piece. So I'm just going to continue that little stretch then, and we'll call this the end of part one.
We'll be doing pieces like that pretty much all along. So.
Yeah. So once we get this little section done, like, yes, we still need to do all along here.
Will we do it? Where will we do it to?
And we're going to extend it to about here, in line with this pole.
Yep.
Well, that pole and this pole. Yep. So that's what we'll do it to. So that's still like what, another million? Oh, 3/4 of a meter.
No, we should have enough. We should have enough because we've got that there.
No, we should hopefully have enough to finish this.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna have to go around and find some more decking material to put all down along there. So when I find enough, I'll
we've got enough,
put it on.
We've got enough of this stuff that we've been using. We've got enough of that. We're gonna use this for that. Yeah, same concept.
Well, if I can find any more of it, yeah.
Just like we've got enough.
We've just got enough to finish that.
Yeah.
And then I need to find some more wood stuff, hopefully like this, all that kind of stuff, to then finish it along there. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so we just had lunch, and because of how difficult it might be, we're now going to put the poles in. So this is the end of part one. So thanks for watching it. And with the poles, we will have to put decking around the poles, so we're just going to leave the decking off for now. It will go on though, so in part two, we most likely will have, we'll show you how we finish that off in most likely part two. So I hope you guys like watching the video. Like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.